Station of the Nation 92.3 Nigeria in for a wonderful Monday morning to you, the 14th day in the month of July 2025. Alright, I have with me in the studio this morning from Nec-computers engineer Riasa Temple, and he's not alone. We have Favour in the studio, and we're about to discuss something really interesting this morning as it concerns what they do at Nec-computers. But before then, let's talk about introduction and the structure of training at Nec-computers. Mr. Riasa, good morning.
A very good morning to everybody listening to me right now. This is Riasa Temple from Nec-computers.
Yeah.
Nec-computers is a computer training centers. We have trained people in countless computer courses, ranging from intermediate level, advanced level, and the basic level. Our courses are divided into 7 different departments. The first department in Nec-computers being the desktop publishing and graphic design department. Here we train people on basic computers, Microsoft Office Suite, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Secretarial Studies, Photoshop, and Internet. The second department is the computer design department. Here we train people on AutoCAD, Revit architecture, Inventor, SolidWorks, structural analysis and design using StarPro, Orion, and Civil 3D. The third department in Nec-computers is the networking department. Here we train people on Network M+, CCNA, CCMP, CCTV installation training, computer hardware and software maintenance and repair, and cyber security. The fourth department we have in Nec-computers, the project management department. Here we train people on Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, SAP, Prince 2, electrical design and installation, building design and building design training, qualification and estimations. That is budgeting. Then the fifth department we have in Nec-computers is the programming software department. We call it coding department. Here we train people on Microsoft Visual Basic, C#, C++, VB.NET, Python, Java, MATLAB, Simulink, and Simscape. PLC, that's Programmable Logic Controller. We have the web development, we have the Android application development, software development, cloud computing, UI, UX, machine learning, and data structure. The sixth department we have in Nec-computers is the data analysis and accounting software department. Here we have the data analysis and data science, advanced Excel and Access, eViews and SPSS, QuickBooks, Sage, P3, Oracle, and digital marketing. The last and not the least department we have in Nec-computers is the oil and gas software department. Here we train people on PDMS, Aspen HISIS, process piping, piping and instrument diagram, pipe flow diagram. These are the structure of our training in Nec-computers.
All right. Okay, so I understand Nec-computers has a special promo and other information that would benefit those who want to take advantage of the programs that you have at Nec-computers.
Yes, this month of July, we are giving everybody that's present in Nec-computer 50%. So in the month of July, you pay only 50%. Nec-computers will pay the other 50% for you. The aim of doing this is to assist people. Nec-computers is a people-friendly organization. People are complaining. The cost is too high. There's no money, inflation are everywhere. I say, okay, no problem. We will have to give opportunity to everybody, no matter your category. 50% is what you pay. And because you pay 50%, that does not mean that we're going to reduce your cost content. Your cost content is 100%. Your duration is 100%. Every facility available in Nec-computer, you make use of it. 50%. And people who are coming into the holiday, we have a special class for you: cyber security, mobile application development, software development, and coding and robotics. 50% is what you are paying throughout this time around. So this month of July, 50% is what you pay and nothing more.
Okay, so how long is this promo lasting for?
From now till the 31st of July. So after 31st of July, we revert to our original plan. And some person called me that they will not have time this month. They want to be part of it. No problem. You can call and make your registration to secure the spot. Anytime you come between now and December this year, you can still have your program.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so let's come to Favour now. So Favour can tell us her experience at Nec-computers. Favour, are you still there or you graduated from Nec-computers?
No, I'm still there.
You're still at Nec-computers?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Okay, so what exactly did you study at Nec-computers?
Okay, I'm studying UIX design. Yes, and as a student, an IT student, learning UIX design at Nec-computers, I play a vital role in designing user-friendly and engaging digital products. When I mean user-friendly, I mean things that users, anybody that has not had that experience before, can just use it and then go free with it. Just like your phones, your smartphones. When you get a phone, even someone that has not used an Android phone before, knows that to open is either you swap or you tap.
Mm.
Do you get? So that's what I mean by user friendly. Okay, and then the digital products I mean are websites, mobile applications, and then software interfaces. In order to make my design quality and for the best of results, I have to be very close with my clients to really understand what they need. And the client's needs is to satisfy their target audience. Okay, so when I conduct research, know what the audience wants, the kind of colors that will suit the website or the app they want to build, those kind of things. And then I move on to developing the wireframe. So what do I mean by wireframe? A wireframe is a sketch of what exactly the client wants. For instance, when building, you know that you have to do the blueprint, which is done by the architect before the main building process starts. So that's literally what I'll do. I would either sketch to then show my client and say, okay, this is what you want. Where do I place the logo? Where do I place the color? What the color? How the background is going to be, and all that. And then after then, we move on to prototyping. Sorry, move on to the mock-up. The mock-up is the building process. We start working on the system. We put colors, we put the logos, the background where it's supposed to be, the text where the person will type, maybe put their name and all those information, the necessary things needed. And when we're done with that, we then discuss if it's okay, and then move on to the prototyping aspect of it. So prototyping involves prototype generally is just a preview of the main work. Do you get? So when we do it and then show the client says, okay, this is fine, we can go with this. If the user clicks on this is how it's going to respond and everything. And the user goes on to say, okay, you can continue, and then finish it up before I work with the programmers, those that are into the coding aspect. They run the codes that are necessary for the front end and the back end to make the whole website to be completely functional. So that's the whole process of the prototyping and wireframe and everything needed in design.
Okay, what's different with the UI design, you called it, right?
Yeah.
And what were you doing before, and how did you develop interest? To say I want to go for this particular course.
Okay. Growing up, generally, I liked anything art, design, anything that has to do with design generally. So when when my IT was about approaching, I decided that okay, I want to learn a digital skill. I know most people want to work in companies so they get paid, but I love it, and it kind of pains me when I see go to a website and then it just looks so unorganized. The color, you try to click on something, it takes time to load and stuff. So that was what pushed and intrigued me. And then while looking for where to learn, I then heard about Nec-computers on the radio.
Okay.
And then my dad too heard, and we talked about it, and that was when I decided to do my IT there and learn the skill. And so far I've learned a lot. Yeah, I've really learned a lot.
Okay, because we're almost running out of time.
Okay.
But tell us what was the learning experience like everyday learning experience like for you at Nec-computers?
It was fun generally, because it's what I wanted to do. So I loved doing it. It's something I had interest in, so it was really fun. So I learned a lot, honestly.
All right, let's come back to Mr. Biasa now. You give us your contact details.
But before then, see where I was straight with the come to Nec-computers do IT. I always say yeah, every day, come to Nec-computers do IT. You can never remain the same. This person you are seeing is no longer the same the way she come to Nec-computers. We can do that to everybody. And one of the reasons why you need to come to Nec-computers to do your IT is because everything has been digitalized. Computer organizations, manufacturing, construction, every business production, all of them has been digitalized or not automated. So you will be left out if you don't have this opportunity. But people choose to go outside and carry fire in an organization, and they pay them peanut. I was asking always, are you a monkey? It's monkey that they pay peanut. Come to Nec-computers, let's transform you. Transformation is better than acquisitions. What you are able to get as a person from Nec-computers is more than what you are able to become, is more than what you get doing something in the company. Come to Nec-computers, let's transform you so that when you go out of the university, you will not lack job. The reason why people lack job is because they did not get proper training from school. In IT scheme, you are supposed to come and get practical knowledge. Somebody asked me, do you have machine in Nec-computers to do practical knowledge? Everything they are doing in the industry is automated, so you can help you to learn this thing. If you cannot build the app that they use in the industry, you can use the app that have been built by people. Come to Nec-computers. We are located at number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Or you call our telephone number on 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. Call our telephone number on 080 325 77932. You can send us a WhatsApp message on 080 325 77932. www.ntisgroup.com. ntisgroup.com is our website. 080 325 77932. 50% is what you pay. This month of July, 50%. 50% is what you pay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I have a nice day.
Welcome to have you again.
Thank you very much.